Hey guys!
It's the day after Christmas.
Oh yeah, Christmas is yesterday.
Merry belated Christmas, whatever. We just got inside and now we're drinking some hot chocolate.
It's snowing like crazy outside. It's like the perfect snowstorm the day after Christmas. So now we're drinking some hot chocolate.
Because it's cold outside.
Marshmallow lovers. So, what'd you get for Christmas?
Some clothes and stuff and money. Yeah, pretty much that's all I got. And then you gave me a bear, a music speaker bear. Yeah. What'd you get for Christmas?
I got some clothes, jewelry, and rings, and I got this jacket. And I got this computer, MacBook Pro. Yeah.
So we're gonna have a lot more videos. Oh yeah, and we're at her house because last time we were at my house, my basement. Yeah.
And now we're in my basement.
Oh yeah, I didn't even notice. I want an iPod Touch, a new one with a camera, but I'll save some money though. Just need to get a job first.
Jersey Shore.
Oh yeah.
If anyone from school sees this is kind of embarrassing. But that's okay.
Look atrocious.
We were just outside in the snow for an hour. We were playing imaginary. 2 hours?
1 hour with them, and then another hour just ourselves.
Really? Wow. Yeah, we were playing imaginary.
Now let's tell you a story.
Magical story.
So now we're going to tell you a story.
Where's the effect?
A story with an effect.
Okay. Once upon a time, there was this girl named Tiffany.
And her best friend, Tori.
Double T, get it? At a ski lounge. And everybody was leaving, and they decided to stay for a couple more minutes. And then,
they didn't want to leave yet because the park was going to close for a long time. So they stood there for some extra time, but then the park closed. So they were skiing, and then everyone left.
And then this is Aiden. Say hi, guys.
Say hey guys. People want to say
Oh, you're so cute. So then they stood or whatever. They were sitting down. They were just sitting down, chilling, you know.
and then the sky comes. Dun dun dun.
They're like, who's that creeper? He's so creepy. He's staring at us like, oh my god.
And he has a knife for a shovel.
So then they decide to run into
Run
the
away,
dark, scary
love.
places.
Run away, love. Run faster, you fucking. Run away faster, you fucking.
Don't say that.
Okay, stop,
Run away
Aiden.
faster, you
Stop.
fucking.
Stop.
All right, stop, Aiden. Seriously.
Put this on there. You have to wait.
sorry for the interruption.
Baby, I got a plan. Run way faster, you.
Alright, good.
Baby, I got a plan. Run away faster, you can. Baby, I got a plan. Run away faster.